welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. And I would like to wish everyone a wonderful week. This is the second week of this ad cycle, and that means every deal you did last week you can do them again this week. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is on Crest mouthwash. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. The only one left at my store is priced at $7.29. Pick up 2 for a total of $14.58. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.58 and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each one. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta. And this Ibotta rebate is a limit of 5. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on L'Oreal Cosmetics. Pick up 2 L'Oreal Mono eyeshadows priced at $6.99 each. And these two will total $13.98. Check your app for a $3 CRT that you can use with this deal, and that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 7 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. If you have a 3 of 15 L'Oreal CRT, then you can pick up 1 L'Oreal eyeshadow priced at $6.99 and 1 L'Oreal satin lipstick priced at $9.79. These two will total $16.78. Use the $3 CRT and the 3 of 15 L'Oreal CRT. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $10.78 and you get 7 back, making them just $3.78 or $1.89 each. The next deal is spend 15 get $10 back on any Real Technique or Eco Tools cosmetic tools. Pick up the Real Technique Miracle Complexion Plus Travel Case priced at $8.49 and Real Technique Sponge priced at $6.99. These two will total $15.48. Pay that and get $10 back, making them just $5.48 or $2.74 each. My next deal is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena Aveeno Facial Care. Pick up the Neutrogena Deep Cleanse Wash priced at $10.49 and Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Face Lotion priced at $15.49. These two will total $25.98. We have a $5 digital coupon for the Aveeno and a $3 digital coupon for the Neutrogena. I have a 5 off 20 Aveeno Neutrogena Facial Care CRT, and the 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $13, dropping it down to $12.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal is spend 15 get 7 back on Neutrogena Acne Care. Pick up the Neutrogena Sensitive Skin Patch priced at $14.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.99 and you get 7 back, making it just $4.99. And this $3 coupon is the same coupon I showed in the spend 25 deal. I have a second option for this deal. If you have a 3 of 10 Neutrogena Facial Care CRT, then this will be your breakdown. Use the 3 of 10 CRT plus the $3 digital coupon. That will take off 6 and you pay just $8.99, get 7 back, making it just $8.99. The next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Burt's Facial Care or lip colors. And I have 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up 2 lip balms priced at $4.49 each. These two will total $8.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. And the second option I have is to pick up 2 facial masks priced at $3.59. Both will total $7.18. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $3.18 or $1.59 each. If you like Sally Hansen nail polish, they are on the deal of spend 8 get 2 back. Pick up 1 Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Polish priced at $7.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. Pay $7.99 and get 2 back, making it just $5.99. If you want to make this deal cheaper and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use percentage of CRT. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on participating facial care or beauty mask. Pick up 2 Royal facial masks priced at $3.99 each, and both will total $7.98. Pay that and get 3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next facial care deal I have is buy any Oxy Acne Care, you get $3 back. Pick up the Oxy Advanced Care Pads 90 counts priced at $7.79. Pay $7.79 and you get 3 back, making it just $4.79. The next facial care deal is spend $10 on any Curology, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 Curology emergency spot patch priced at $11.99. Pay $11.99 and you get 3 back, making it just $8.99. The last facial care deal I have in this video is spend 10 get 3 back on Peach Slices Acne Care and facial mask. And I have 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up the 30 patches priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay $9.98 and get 3 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. And the second option is to pick up the 9 patches deep blemish micro darts priced at $9.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay $9.99 and get 3 back, making it just $6.99. The next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on soft soap liquid hand soap. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $3.59 each. Both will total $7.18. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $3.18 or $1.59 each. We also have the 3-pack Irish Spring Bar Soap on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $4.79 each. Both will total $9.58. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next deal is on Gillette Satin Care Shave Gel. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2. They are priced at $5.79 each, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.90. These 2 will total $8.69. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $4.69 or $2.35 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 textures and tones hair color priced at $8.49 each. And these 2 will total $16.98. Check your app. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. If you prefer the root touch-up, pick up 2. They are priced at $10.49. Both will total $20.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $14.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $10.98 or $5.49 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 3 back on select CVS brand products, and I have 2 options for this deal. And for the first option, pick up the CVS After Sun Gel priced at $6.49 and 1 CVS Healthy Hands priced at $3.99. These 2 will total $10.48. Pay that and get $3 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on the After Sun Care. That will end up making them just $6.48 or $3.24 each. And the second option I have is to pick up the CVS sunscreen spray priced at $10.49. Pay the $10.49 and you get $3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $5.49. The next deal I have is on family size Oreo cookies, and they are on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2, pay $9 and get $2 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. This next item is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the Royal Dance cookie priced at $7.99. Pick up 1, pay $7.99, then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 1,500 cakes, which is equal to $6. That will end up making it just $1.99. The next 2 items I have are not giving back any extra care box, and that's on Cheetos. They're on sale for 2 for $7. Pay $7, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That means you're getting back $2 from Ibotta, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. I have an all digital spend 25 get $5 back. It's not the best deal, but if this is what you need, then this is the deal for you. Pick up one Febreze car air freshener on sale for $5.99, one Dawn dish soap on sale for $5.99, one Downy fabric refresher on sale for $6.99, and the last item for this deal is the 120 count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99. These 4 items will total $25.96. Check your app. We have a $2 coupon for the Febreze, $1 Dawn digital coupon. On Coupon 24 app, we have a $1 coupon for the Downy and a $1 coupon for the bounce dryer sheets. The 4 coupons will take off $5 and drop it down to $20.96, and you get 5 back, making them just $15.96 or $3.99 each. The next laundry care deal I have are on the small Tide pods. They are part of buy 2 get $2 bag, and they are on sale for $5.49. Pick up 2 and they will total $10.98. Use $1 off Tide coupon from Coupon 24 app. That will drop it down to $9.98, and you get 2 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.